Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta, as you'll see at Real Nestas, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all two YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And follow us at The Real Nestas on Instagram.
Alright, you guys, I want to introduce you to the monocular telescope. It's high quality. Basically, it's by Starscope. 12 by 14 high power HD monocular with a smartphone holder and tripod. Prism IPX7 waterproof for bird watching, camping, hunting, and spotting activities. It's a nice little telescope. See all the attachments that come with it. You can also hook your cell phone up to make pictures from far away where you can't get close. It's for adults. It equipped the 50mm FMC green coated lens. All those elements of this monocular provide high definition images and accurate color rendition. It's a good addition for any bird watching, hunting, hiking, camping, or sightseeing, etc. It can be connected with the smartphone attachment on the back to take pictures and videos. Explore the nature of the world easily through this screen. The phone adapter is suitable for most phone models. So let's get into it, you guys. Let's get the unboxing and see what we got. Alright, inside the box it says high quality telescope, perfect for bird watching, sporting events, racing events, sports events. Also, it says right here, do not point directly into the sun and it may damage your eyes. Let's open this up and see what we got here. Nice box right here. Of course, inside we have the instructions. So in here, you have a pouch, your eyepiece cover, object lens cover, the instructions which are here. You have a phone clip, a monocular strap, cleaning cloth, and a tripod. So let's see what we got. Right off the gate, looks like we have the actual monocular here. It's inside a plastic bag. Let's put that on the side. Here's the pouch that holds it. Inside the nice little pouch here, we have the actual monocular. Here's the size of it right here. 12 by 50, zoomed in 12 by 50 right here on the top of it. Right on the top we have the lens cover. Here's the lens cover. Inside there's the objective lens, and you see it's kind of green, if you can see that green. Here's the focus adjustment on it right here. On the back side there we got the back cap, and then we have the ocular lens right here where you can see through. Also nice rubber fit number sole, and then underneath here we have the monocular strap. And if you take this strap off like so, this is where you're going to be able to mount the tripod. So you got the screw right there to mount the tripod. So let's sit this on the side for now, and let's see what else is in here. Alright, here's the adapter. Here's the adapter here for the cell phone, and I'm going to show you how that works. And you put your cell phone in here, and it sits on there. So this is the phone clip next up, and we have the cleaning cloth, and we have the tripod. Here's the tripod that comes with it there. Nice tripod. Open that up, sit that, and you can have that balance right there. Bring this over. Oh yeah, this is for a quick cleanup. And once you do that, as you can see, you bring this right here, and you just turn that. And now, as you can see, you've got your monoscope right here on that. Now, this is the front lens, as I say. That's how it looks. So next thing I want to do is you bring this over. I see if I can do it on the tripod. But basically, once you have that lined up, you're gonna put that over the end like so. Make sure that's tight. That's nice and snug. This is better. This is actually better, you guys, when you can have the tripod on it, but you wanna have it like, there you go. There you go. So now, when you go to your camera, see that's front view. So when you go to your camera, as you can see, there we go. So as I focus in, so let's say like you got it on the tripod, like so. And now you can see, as I pan around, I'm zoomed in. So now I could take a video right now of something far, far away, zoomed in. And then I could even do it, we could do it down here as I look out. So as you see, I'm all the way down the hallway there. You know, you can zoom in. So you can take video or pictures with this thing. It's pretty neat. I like it. And this is the review. Like I say, definitely make sure you guys click the link down below. I will have a special offer. You click this link and you can get yourself the monocular telescope. Is real nice to have. Wide, normal lens. You can. It's good for having at the games and everything. It'd be real good for like a sporting event. This is real nice. And then, like I say, you want to take that off. You just pop that off. You make sure you cover your lens up front, cover your lens up back, and you can just carry it around. You can carry it around like